Você quer sexo agressivo, ou deixa sua bunda ardendo, vou dar tapa.
At present, trash cans have a problem with mixed garbage. Makes it impossible to separate garbage of each type. Some types of waste can be recycled, such as plastic bottles, glass bottles, and metal cans. The new recycling process will cause that type of decomposition to be in a condition that can be easily processed into various forms. This can only be done if each type is not mixed together. Therefore, we created a smart trash can that can solve the problem of mixed garbage. This trash can separate plastic and metal waste. To make it easier to recycle. And there is also a function that is easy to use. Automatically opening the trash can lid when movement passes in front of the trash can. This eliminates the need to use your hands to come into contact with dirt from the trash can in order to open the trash can lid and throw away the trash. When there is movement within 50 centimeters in front of the trash can, ESP32 commands the ultrasonic sensor to detect the movement and sends the value to the servo motor to open the trash can lid. And then, when the garbage is placed at the garbage disposal point, the IR sensor will detect the object and will work simultaneously with the inductive proximity sensor to detect metal. And when it detects a problem, the sensor will send the value to the stepper motor to work by rotating to the left to discard metal waste. If plastic waste is thrown away, the stepper motor will rotate to the left to throw the trash away. Next, let's look at the materials and equipment. Technology. Materials include Node MCU ESP32, breadboard, HCSR04 sensor ultrasonic, NEC 5002C inductive proximity sensor, infrared, IR sensor, MG996 servo motor, NEMA 17 stepper motor, L298N drive motor module, jumper male female, male and female, adapter 12 volts 1A and coupling. Next, let's talk about the materials. Bin scale 31 by 43 by 62 cm 60 liters, half PVC pipe 3-inch length 30 centimeters, steel round bar, zinc steel punched flat bar, alucobond sheet, door hinge, acrylic sheet, and acrylic box. Next, let's look at writing a program to control the work. Hashtag include ESP32 servo. Hashtag include software serial. Hashtag include stepper. It imports a set of libraries. It includes servo motor functionality. The software serial library allows serial communication on other digital pins and stepper motor functionality. Constant steps per rev equals 200 is to determine the rotation speed of the stepper motor. Stepper by stepper steps per rev 4, 2, 5, 15. The pins in 1, 2, 3, 4 to connect to L298 and motor driver in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. Hashtag define trig underscore pin 23 is ESP32 pin PO23 connected to ultrasonic sensors trig pin hash define echo underscore pin 22 is ESP32 pin PO22 connected to ultrasonic sensors echo pin. Hashtag define servo underscore pin 26 is ESP32 pin PO26 connected to servo motors pin hash define distance underscore threshold 50 is ultrasonic motion detection distance. Int sensor underscore in equals 21 is ESP32 pin PO21 connected to inductive proximity sensors pin and sensor underscore equals 34 is ESP32 pin PO34 connected to IR sensors pin servo. Create servo object to control a servo float duration underscore us, distance underscore cm, setting distance values using centimeters. Next void setup, serial.begin 9600, is a port connection with a speed of 9600 my serial.begin 9600, pin mode trig underscore pin, output, set ESP32 pin to output mode for ultrasonic sensor pin mode echo underscore pin, input. Set ESP32 pin to input mode for ultrasonic sensor. Servo.attach servo underscore pin, attaches the servo on pin 9 to the servo object pin mode sensor underscore in, input, set ESP32 pin to output mode for inductive proximity sensor pin mode sensor underscore obj, input, set ESP32 pin to output mode for IR sensor servo.write 0, servo motor settings default to 0. Int count equals 1. Displaying the value for the sensor to stop working at val_obj equals 0. Display value 0 for the IR sensor to work. Int val_in equals 0. Display value 0 for inductive proximity sensor to work. Void loop, digital write trig _pin, low. Command the trig pin to stop distributing pressure. Delay microseconds 2. The required delay time is 2 microseconds. Digital write trig _pin, high. Command the trig pin to apply voltage. Delay microseconds 5. Delay 5 microseconds. Digital write trig _pin, low. Command the trig pin to stop distributing pressure. Duration _s equals pulse and echo _pin, high. When movement is detected, the echo pin is commanded to apply voltage. Distance _cm equals microseconds to centimeters. Duration _s. Serial.print distance _cm. It is a reading of the distance of movement. Serial.print cm. It is a reading of the distance of movement in centimeters. Serial print on. Working readings delay 100. Delay 100 seconds. If distance _cm less than distance _threshold, if the movement distance is less than the specified distance, val_in equals digital read sensor _in. Command the inductive proximity sensor to work. Val_obj equals digital read sensor _obj. Order the IR sensor to work. Servo.write 180. Rotate servo motor to 180 degree check. Run the check command. Else servo.write 0. If there is no movement, the servo motor returns to 0 degrees. Long microseconds to centimeters. Long microseconds return microseconds. 29, 2. The speed of sound is 29 microseconds per centimeter. The ping travels out and back, so to find the distance of the object we take half of the distance traveled. Void write, creating a command to rotate the stepper motor to the right. My stepper set speed 60. Order the stepper motor to rotate at a speed of 60. My stepper. Step -50. Rotate -50 degrees. Delay 500. My stepper set speed 60. Order the stepper motor to rotate at a speed of 60. My stepper. Step 50. Rotate 50 degrees. Delay 500. Void left, creating a command to rotate the stepper motor to the left. My stepper set speed 60. Order the stepper motor to rotate at a speed of 60. My stepper. Step -50. Rotate -50 degrees. Delay 500. Void check, creating a command for the sensor to detect objects and the rotation of the stepper motor. Serial print val_in. Read instructions of inductive proximity sensor. Serial print val_obj. Read the instructions of the IR sensor. Delay 500. If val_in equals 0 and amp semicolon and amp, val_obj equals 0 left. If metal is detected and an object is detected at the same time, the stepper motor will rotate to the left. To discard metal. Else if val_obj equals 0 right. If an object is detected but if no metal is found, the stepper motor will rotate to the right. To dispose of plastic.